This is one of St. Michael's best kept secrets. It's Larrabee Meadows, and it might not look like much right now, obviously, but pretty soon it's gonna look like this. Well, the number one question I get is the builder any good? And the builder of Larrabee Meadows is Benzinger Homes. They're one of my favorites in the Twin Cities, but I thought I'd bring Dana by, who's the builder rep, to show us all about their quality. Dana, what can you tell us about Benzinger?
Benzinger Homes, they're a local builder and they're really focused on quality. So we have custom cabinets that are made right here in the state of Minnesota, in Sauk Center, Minnesota. We have a site finish trim, so it's 2 coats of oil-based enamel. They also allow customization at all price points, just not at the upper bracket price points, so that's wonderful.
Yeah.
And they also use Pillow window. It's just really a nice partnership between the two.
It's amazing, even at this price point for a nicer custom home, how many don't allow customizations.
Correct.
They do the base windows, they do finished trim that's finished off-site, and then they nail it in place and it looks terrible.
Yeah.
Benzinger really seems to go the extra mile with all the little details.
And they're local, so the builder will show up on site if there's something that needs to be discussed a little further, which is really a nice feature to have.
Yeah, you're not working with some 1-800 number corporate office thing.
Exactly.
Which personally I don't love. Benzinger is the way to go.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Well, why don't we take a look at a few of the different layouts they have available, and we've got to start you with the Majestic, which we're in right now. You've never seen one level living like this. Now this is that Majestic floor plan. You've got 2,300 square feet, all slab on grade. There's no stairs anywhere. There's not even a curb at the shower. So you're gonna find 2 bedrooms up off the front. You'll find the large primary suite off the back, and then a wide open layout, which does include in this model the sun porch. It's got a screened in porch and a back patio. If you like the Majestic, but you think you'd like a basement, allow me to introduce the Augusta. This is almost the same square feet. You've still got the great main level living, but you've also got that basement, which has an additional bedroom, bathroom, and a second living space. But Dana, why don't you tell us a little bit more about specifically what's available to build? What are the lot likes for Larrabee Meadows?
Perfect, yeah. So Larrabee Meadows is gonna have a total of 23 lots. 20 of them are going to be HOA maintained. Really, they're single family lots with lawn and snow services only. So
Beautiful.
Very great combination.
You get the independence of having your own house.
Exactly.
But you don't have to do the exterior maintenance.
Exactly, it's wonderful. So there'll be 20 of those, and there'll be a combination of slab on grade, walkout, and lookout lots in that development.
Perfect.
And then also there's a wonderful cul-de-sac of custom homes that really the sky's the limit. 2-story, slab on grade, walkout. So great combination and great location.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Dana, for showing us around and telling us about Benzinger Homes.
You're welcome, Joe.
If you guys would love to see more of Larrabee Meadows, we can get you into their spring model very soon. So just find all my information in the description down below, and we'll get you in very soon.